Woe is me! I have made all of these weapons, but I do not know which weapon to make next.
Can you make a weapon for me?
Wait, you want a weapon?
Papa, I want a purple sword.
I know just the one.
Hi, I'm Donovan, and after all of the Lego Ninjago weapons that I've made for my son over the years, a request finally came from my daughter asking for a purple Ninjago sword, and I know just the one. The Anacondrai sword first seen in season 4. And so I'm gonna show you how to make the Anacondrai sword. Step 1, design it out. Using a reference image, my friend Tyson from Geeks Woodshop mocked up a model in SketchUp and broke it into individual pieces. I'll leave a link to the model in the description if you want to check it out. I then printed off the outlines for each of the pieces to use later. Step 2, gather your materials. For this sword, I'm going to use ash for the snake bone part of the sword and purple heart for the purple blade. But I also ended up using a small piece of mahogany for the eyes that I put on later. Step 3, gather your tools. I wanted to make this build simple, so for tools, I'm only using some rasps, finger planes, and some carving knives for the carving. I'll also be using a handsaw and a chisel. Step 4, cut out the shapes. I glued the outlines to each piece of wood, and then I used the saw and finger planes to start shaping out each piece. As the pieces took shape, I used a combination of the chisel and the carving knives to create the channel for the blade and the hilt to fit into later. Now, it took a while to get all of these pieces to shape, but eventually they were done. Step 5, carving. I didn't want to use a CNC to do the carving on this project like I have done with other weapons that I've made, so I just used the finger planes, the rasps, and the carving knives to shape out each of the pieces. Step 6, everyone's favorite step, sanding. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All the pieces are sanded, they're looking good. Now I just need to Oreo sandwich blade pieces together, put them in the hilt, put finish on it, and we'll be done. Now I want an Oreo. Next shot. Step 7, with all the pieces done, it was time to assemble. I love my job. I really love how this turned out, and the purple heart looks super cool. And I know I'm gonna get a bunch of comments of people asking why this is so little. It's made for a 4-year-old, so that's why the size. If you like this project and this build, go ahead and hit the like button, share it if you like the stuff that I make here on my channel. Speaking of this channel, I've started a new channel for all of my non-Ninjago stuff. So if you wanna see all of the other stuff that I make, go ahead and go over to that channel. Leave me a comment down below telling me which weapon you think I should make next. And until next time, go build a good story.